Hey guys, I tested a bunch of soldering stations and wrote reviews on my site. But here, we'll quickly go through the top 10 best ones from AliExpress. Number 1. iFen 160-watt Universal Soldering Station. Ultra-fast 2 seconds heat up. Supports C245, C210, and C115 handles. $103. Second place, JCD 2-in-1 750-watt hot air and soldering station. Powerful hot air rework system. Dual LCD displays, PID temperature control, auto sleep function. $24. Third, Jiboon TC22 240-watt smart soldering station. Color IPS display with power curve. 3 seconds heat up, supports multiple handles, $81. Fourth, JCD 2-in-1 700-watt hot air work station. Independent hot air and soldering controls. Fast heating, auto sleep and cooling, $53. Fifth, Yihua Smart Station. 2 seconds heat up, full color display, precision micro soldering focused, smart sleep modes, $72. Sixth, JCD 750-watt portable hot air work gun. Compact handheld design, strong airflow, LCD display, ideal for mobile and on-site rework, $28. Seventh, Silverflow 2-in-1 hot air station. Dual digital displays, improved 60-watt iron, brushless fan, 10-minute sleep mode, $57. Eighth, FNRSI 200-watt smart soldering station. 2.8-inch TFT color screen, 1 second heat up, PID control, premium build quality, $81. Ninth, Yihua Compact C210 Precision Station. Ultra compact all-in-one design, 2 to 4 seconds heat up, handle controls, wide voltage support, $39. And 10th, Silverflow 2-in-1 T12 Station. Reliable T12 soldering iron, solid hot air system, great value for everyday electronics repair, $44. All links to these soldering stations are in the video description. Detailed reviews, pros and cons for each model are on my website. Thanks for watching.